Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you first Abu Dhabi Bank online banking create account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to create FAB online banking account, what you need to do is simply head over, open up your app store if you haven't downloaded the app, simply typing on search bar and typing in first Abu Dhabi Bank, then this is the app. Simply tap on that, tap on there to download the app, and then once you're inside there you'll see a login page. Simply tap on the register now option and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully create an account. You can simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in first Abu Dhabi Bank login or first Abu Dhabi Bank, then simply tap on the first name that is on to you. Then once you're inside the login page of the FAB, what you need to do is simply tap on the register now option. Then once you're inside here, tap on it. Now you'll be asked to enter your customer identification number of credit or debit card number. Simply enter in your details and make sure your mobile or email don't select to your bank account. Then simply verify your identity. FAB will send an OTP to your registered mobile number and sometimes email. Enter the OTP to confirm it's you. Then choose a username and a strong password, mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Accept any terms and conditions and submit. After registration, you can log in using your username and password anytime. You'll see your account balance, transfer money, previous, etc. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.